Shanti. Today is Murli, 25th August 2021, Bap Dada Madhuban. Essence, sweet children, the nature of remaining peaceful is very good. Those who have a peaceful nature are very sweet. Instead of speaking of wasteful things, it is better not to speak. Question: which children does everyone love? What is the way to keep yourself safe? Answer: those who serve everyone with a lot of interest and love are loved by all. You must never have any arrogance about service. Give others the musk of knowledge that you have received from the Father and remind everyone of Shiv Baba. You will remain very safe through this pilgrimage of remembrance. To the extent you stay in remembrance, you will accordingly have that much happiness and your manners will continue to be reformed. Murli's important points. The spiritual father sits here and explains to you spiritual children. By explaining to you, he makes you so sensible. The study is also easy. That is the physical education, and this is the subtle study. Deities speak very little. Now that you have to become deities, you have to change from being in the talkie and practice staying in silence. For those who remain peaceful, it would be understood that they pay attention to themselves. The Father has explained: hear no evil, see no evil. The things that you don't like, you have to step away from those bad things, and both parties will then be quietened. Imbibe divine virtues in every situation. The Father gives you children very good Srimad. He explains: sweet children, you now have to return home from talkie. You have to go into movie and then you will go into silence. Give whomever you meet this message. You are true messengers. You have to have mercy for everyone. Children who have mercy will very peacefully stay in remembrance of the Father. You simply have to give the message to stay in remembrance of the unlimited Father, and you will receive unlimited happiness and peace. The Father blesses you children, sweet children. May you always be peaceful. May you have a long life. That is, may you live many births. You receive blessings from the Father, but each of you still has to make your own efforts for how you can have a long life. You children know Baba, who removes our sorrow of half the cycle, has now come. People say, Har Har Mahadev. Mahadev, the great deity who removes everyone's sorrow. This is not that Mahadev. It is only the Father who will remove our sorrow. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. First point: use your time in a fruitful way in remembrance of the Father. Do not waste this invaluable time anywhere. Become introverted and make effort. That is, become soul conscious. Second point: now we Brahmins are even more elevated than the deities. We have now won the lottery of the imperishable jewels of knowledge. We have become knowledgeful, and so our faces must always be in bloom with happiness. Continue to jump with joy internally. Blessing. May you be constantly successful by becoming victorious in every thought with the company of the corporeal and incorporeal fathers. Just as an incorporeal soul and a corporeal body are together able to do everything. In the same way, when you keep both the corporeal and incorporeal fathers with you or in front of you while you perform every task and create every thought, you will become an embodiment of a success. This is because when Bap Dada is personally in front of you, you would definitely have everything verified by him, and you would then carry it out with faith and fearlessness. By doing this, you will save your time and thoughts. Nothing would be wasted, and every action will automatically be successful. Slogan. Spiritual love is even more valuable than physical wealth, and so become master ocean of love. अच्छा, ओम शांति.